Divide 736 by 4 in a long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 3. So this 3 is less than 4. So we put down this 3 and it is 33. 4 times 8 is 32. On subtracting, we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 4. So we put down this 6 and it is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. On subtracting, we get 0. So 736 divided by 4 is 184. So this much for today and thanks for watching.